We have landed on Mars, Metro is no more YouTube app on iOS, what's going on, and a whole lot more. Watch till the end. You're going to want to watch till the end. August 6th, 2012 marks a day in history for its Earthlings, where NASA's rover Curiosity lands on Mars. After a huge, long travel of 8 months and 17 days, we finally made it. Pretty cool stuff. Now its mission is going to be over a span of 2 years, where it's going to tell us whether there was ever life on Mars and whether life can be maintained on Mars. Very cool stuff. Congratulations NASA, congratulations Earthlings, even though I didn't do anything and you probably didn't do anything to contribute. It's a pretty awesome stepping stone though to exploring our universe and solar system. Windows 8, the huge thing is the Metro screen, right? The Metro user interface. Well, guess what? Microsoft is like, you know what? Don't use Metro. That was just a placeholder name. Don't use that name. That's not what we're going to go for now. Now, we're just going to call it the Windows 8 user interface. So, Metro is scrapped. It's kind of interesting. I like the name Metro. A lot of people hate it, but I like the Metro name. I didn't like the Metro screen, but I like the name anyway. So, stop using the name Metro. It's just referred to as the Windows 8 user interface. The final RTM version of Windows 8 was leaked all over the internet, and one of the tweaks that Microsoft added was basically you cannot bypass the Metro screen during the boot up. A lot of people were hoping that, okay, I'm going to upgrade to Windows 8, okay, and hopefully I can just bypass Metro and never use it, and I'll just go straight to the desktop. Well, you can't do that. There's no way to get around it. So look forward to that if you are planning to adopt the Windows 8 operating system. You're a YouTuber, so this may pertain to you, especially if you watch a lot of YouTube on your mobile device, if you're on an iPhone or something. In iOS 6, there will no longer be a standard YouTube application. There's going to be no YouTube application when you buy a new phone or when you install an OS or anything. It's just not going to be there, okay? Basically, the contract is ended between Apple and Google, so it's gone, blah, blah, blah. It's not that big of a deal, though, because Google is actually working on their own YouTube app, so that should be pretty awesome. Especially since I've used the YouTube app on my Nexus 7, and I love the way YouTube works, the app works on the Nexus 7. I have no doubt that Google will come out with an awesome way for us YouTubers to enjoy our YouTube content. Bill Nye the Science Guy. Awesome, awesome, awesome show. I love that show because it made science fun. It made learning fun. You know, the dude's entertaining. His show ended a while ago, and now he's thinking of making a comeback. But he's like, you know what? I gotta have a contract with the right studio. Gotta have, I want more flexibility over like my show and blah blah blah. So we might be seeing Bill Nye make a comeback, and I really hope we do because I really love his content. If anything, what I'm thinking is maybe they'll have he'll sign a contract with like YouTube, so it'll be like on a premium channel on YouTube or something. That would be awesome. Okay. So anyways, there you go. We might have Bill Nye back with us. How much do advertisements bother you in your social networks? Remember, Twitter has like sponsored posts, Facebook has like advertisements on the side, and it can get kind of distracting. If it's that big of a deal for you, would you be willing to pay for a membership for a social network that way you're not bothered by advertisements? Well, that's what app.net is doing. So you might want to go check that out if advertisements really bother you that much. It's $50 for a standard membership, but you get a full year, and hey, if that's something you're into, look into it. I mean, this is kind of an interesting idea. It's like, okay, if you guys don't want advertisements and blah blah blah, then just pay so we can actually make money. That's why social networks do it. They make money from these advertisements. They got to make money somehow. So anyways, that's just what I wanted to bring up to you guys. App.net. You can actually pay for a membership on a social network and have an adless experience. Would you be interested in your emails to pop up in your search results? Well, that's what Gmail is doing now, okay? Google is actually doing this. Basically, it's like a closed beta, I think, or something. But basically, you type in, let's say I'm typing in cool Wally handstands. Wally's doing some handstands now. He's like, yeah! But basically, let's say I have some emails in my Gmail pertaining to Wally doing whatever Wally. The Wally keyword is going to pop up my emails. Everything has to do with Wally. Like if I was having an email conversation with them, then they're gonna pop up right there. So this is kind of a cool idea. I like it, but it's kind of like one of those where you got to be careful with it, because if a friend is like browsing the computer or the internet on your computer, then he's gonna have access to your emails, and he's gonna be able to read them and stuff, and it's gonna be kind of weird. So there you go. Be careful for that. But I think it's a cool feature. It's interesting. How would you like an application on your iPhone where you can make disposable numbers? That's what this application called Burner is doing. You can make a temporary phone number. The application is like $1.99 in the App Store, and basically you generate a phone number, and you can send text messages and talk to people and stuff, and it goes by like credits. So you have an X amount of credits, which means you buy a number, and that number is temporary, so you can only have like, I think, an hour worth of talking or whatever it is. I don't know exactly what it is, don't quote me on that, but you can talk for, let's just say, an hour, and then the number's done. Or you can text X amount of messages and the number's done. Supposedly they're advertising this as a great way if you want to give out your number for dating, for Craigslist, for temporary business inquiries and things like that, which is a cool idea. I like it. But this also brings up, like, man, I'm gonna get prank called a lot more if the wrong people get their hands on this, or this can be used in so many wrong ways. But I like the idea. Yes. In the gaming side of news, Blizzard's internal network, Battle.net, was hacked. That's right. And what they're actually doing, Blizzard's like, everybody change your passwords just in case. We don't want to be liable for anything. So far, it seems like, they haven't gotten into any of our like credit card information or anything for you guys, and they don't have like your actual passwords all scrambled up. But still, change your password just in case. And an even better option is to get the authenticator. If you guys don't know what Blizzard does, they're like Diablo, World of Warcraft, StarCraft, all that cool stuff, all those cool games. Yes, they were hacked, so be careful. Change your password. And finally, I want to end this tech news with some gaming news. I always like to end it with something fun. At least I think it's fun. The Call of Duty multiplayer trailer for Black Ops 2 was released a couple days ago, 2 or 3 days ago, and it was really awesome. I liked it. I'm looking forward to it. It looks kind of like a lot of things are overpowered, and I'm going to get pissed off a lot because of a lot of the kill streaks and guns, like an automatic shotgun. But still, I like the Call of Duty franchise, although it's getting really old. Looking at this trailer, I think it's kind of like a fresh look. It's a freshness. It has some kind of freshness to it that I'm looking forward to. Wasn't looking forward to the game as much before, but I've pre-ordered it. That's how you see that orangish poster right there. But anyways, so there you go. The Call of Duty multiplayer trailer was released. What do you think of the Call of Duty franchise? I know a lot of people are like, dude, it sucks. Like, it's for noobs now. It's all about Battlefield 3, blah, blah, blah. I have both games. I love both games, but lately I've been into Call of Duty just because I haven't played it in a long time. So anyways, that is that. There you go. Go check out the trailer if you want. All links to all of the tech news notes are in the description if you didn't know. So basically, all you have to do is like click the video and look at the links. You don't even have to watch me, which kind of sucks that I'm telling you this, okay? Because I'm going to lose a lot of viewers probably. But you're going to be able to read all the news before I say it if you want. Boom. That is it. That is the tech news for the week. Thank you for watching. Sorry if the camera is different and everything. I was editing my video. It's already been like an hour, and I decided to change the ending. So anyways, here we go. Okay, that was the tech news of the week. That was the news that I thought was interesting. Hopefully you thought it was interesting as well. Remember to thumb up, comment, and subscribe if you like my content. And anyway, remember to share my videos. I need to get the word out about my videos because I honestly do this video just for you guys. There's really no reason for me to be doing these videos except for you guys, and because I love making videos. It's really the only two reasons. Anyways, yes. So I apologize again if everything's kind of different. I have some social networks you can follow me on, so I'm not dead if I forget to post a video or something. Twitter.com/comphelp, Facebook.com/comphelp, gplus.to/comphelp, Instagram, my username is comphelp right there. Let me see, that's pretty much everything, right? I mean, yes. And also, I'm gonna have like this Easter egg hunt kind of thing. There's going to be a logo that's going to pop up somewhere in my video, not this time, but somewhere in my video, there's going to pop up a logo. It's going to be kind of hidden, so you have to look for it. Now, if you find it, what I want you to do is, let's see, I want you to post it in the comments, okay, colon, like, type in the time code. So if it ends up at 30 seconds, type in 00:30, okay. I have to sneeze right now. Anyways, so in all the people who post it, you are going to be given a spot in my video next week. Okay, your names are just gonna pop up in random places, and it'll be interesting to see how that works out. Okay, so anyways, yes, your usernames can pop up in my next video if you find my Easter egg, and hopefully people who see the other comments, don't just post it. And hopefully they actually looked for the Easter egg. Anyway, I don't know, I'm just trying something fun here. Maybe I'll do something like that every week, I don't know. Anyways, thank you for watching. I know my audio is probably different. Everything's probably different now. Like, now you can see me recording audio. That was a mess up. I was supposed to minimize this window so you can't see me recording, but blooper for the win. Anyway, I'm gonna leave now. Me and Wally are gonna enjoy some Cheez-Its while editing videos, and we're also gonna enjoy a huge bag of Cheetos Puffs. I'm tired. I'm really tired. Why do I record videos at 1 o'clock in the morning? I don't know. You know, it's because I don't have any other time to record, usually. I'll see you guys later. Peace. And stay tuned till the end. Really? Bzzt, 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 bzzt. Houston, we've landed on Mars, yeah! Let's go view this crap. Let's go check out Mars. Mars landing is complete.